How are you, grade 10? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once more. Alright, in this video we are given this typical question. We have given question 1 and question 2. And may you please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed. And then if it is your first time watching my video, may you please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I'm posting some new videos, right guys? So I have given question 1. Says complete the following, right? Supposed to complete the following. We're given given A to simplify that, guys. So isn't it? Let me change the color for you, the light. Okay, red. We've given to simplify, right? We have to simplify A minus 1 over A, then raised to the power of 2. We have to simplify these, guys. All right, this is a binomial, by the way. So it was what is number 1A, right? Number 1A. All right, we still number 1 here, A. We should simplify this. Okay, all right, to simplify this is a binomial. It's the same as A minus 1 over A, like that. Okay, A minus 1 over A. This means that you have the two brackets. This is the seamless like that. Then now we were supposed to simplify. Then you distribute, guys. A multiplied by first A will be A squared, right? Then you come again, A multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 over A, but remember there's a negative, will be minus, right, A over A, right? Are you with me? Then you come again, minus 1 over A multiplied by A. This will be negative A over what? Over A. Are you with me? Multiply again there. Minus A, remember, check, minus 1 over A multiplied by 1 over A. You see there? So guys, take note, that will be positive, right? Minus and minus will be positive. Then you multiply these two. If you multiply, you'll multiply 1 over A multiplied by 1 over A. These guys will be what? Will be A squared, right? Will be A over A squared. All right. Right, remember guys, if you are multiplying, let's say you are multiplying A over B, for example, multiply this by C over D. If you are multiplying, you multiply what the values that on our numerator, what is in the top must be multiplied by what is in the top. You multiply that. What is in the bottom, if you are multiplying, must multiply with what it's in the bottom, right? On our numerator, this is a numerator, this is a denominator, right? You multiply A multiplied by C, this will be equals to B multiplied by D. So guys, here, that is what happened there. All right, that is what happened when we say 1 minus negative A multiplied by negative 1 over A. This and this became positive. We've multiplied 1 multiplied by 1, it's 1. A multiplied by 8, A squared. All right, are you with me there? Hopefully you understood this. So this, we have this now, guys. After all, we have this. If you can check, this is the same as 1, guys. A over 8, 1. A over 8, 1. This will have A squared. This is same as what? Minus. This same as what is 1. Right. A and A will cancel. Left it 1. Minus. A and A will cancel. Left it 1. Plus 1 over A squared. Then this will be equals to what? A squared minus 1 will be minus 2 plus 1 over A squared. So this is how you have simplified this. This is how you've simplified that. If you like, you can leave it like this. You can say A squared plus 1 over A squared minus 2. All right, are we together? This is what we have. All right. So B then says evaluate. Evaluate means that find the value of. This word means find the value of when they say evaluate. Evaluate still just means find the value of. When you are evaluating, the word evaluate stands for find the value, right? Find the value of of find the value of this. Now just means it means that find the value of, that is the name evaluate, right? Okay, evaluate, they say we should evaluate a squared plus 1 over a squared if it is given that a minus 1 over a is equal to 7. But as we're supposed to find the value of this, guys, they say evaluate this, find the value of this. If it's given that a like that is we want to find that, right? If it's given this, how can you evaluate that? How can you check? Here we have a, you must take a note there, guys. Here we have a's, and then we have a is equal to what? To 7. Check the relationship here, guys. Here we have a squared plus 1 over a squared. Ask yourself, how did they came about, how did they got, how did they find, how did they get this squared, right? And that's positive. So what you're supposed to do, guys, you take these, guys, right? You square both sides. You'll take that value, say a minus 1 over a, guys. As you can see, this, you write that is equal to what? To 7. Then you square this both sides. You nicely square this. If you square this, remember, now you square that. Remember, this, guys, is the same as what we've did, guys. This will violate. Remember, we did this part. As you can see, you notice this part is the same as that. It's the one and the same thing. We did it. We found this to be equal to this here. Remember, we got this value, isn't it, guys? We got that to be equals to this when we are simplifying. All right, we obtain this, isn't it? Remember, this is what we have obtained. This is the one and the same thing. But what is be that? If you square 7 raised to the power of 2, if you punch your calculator, you'll get this to be equals to 9. All right, guys, you see. But they said we should evaluate a squared plus 1 over a squared. Here we have, guys, a squared plus a squared. You see, guys, how cool is this? Let me highlight this so that you'll see. Well, let me use yellow. You see, guys, this is what we have there. This, all this is one and the same thing, guys. Check. As you can see that it's one and the same thing. All right, how cool is that? You see, they said we should evaluate this only. So you can take this to the other side, will become positive. There will left. If you take that strip check, guys, you will take that to, you want that now. You can, if you take that to the other side, you left with what I will write here, a squared plus 1 over a squared. Then this will add, you'll say 49 plus that will be what? 51. You understand? That is the value that will have. If you take this, we'll have this like that, will be 49 plus 2. What is 49 plus 2? Is 51. Therefore, guys, a squared plus 1 over a squared will be equals to 51. So we found this value is 51. It's simply 51. Okay, this is equals to what? To 51. We got it. All right. Hopefully you understood this. All right, it's 51, right? Are we together then? So we go to question 2. Says simplify or complete the following. Simplify a given I. By simplifying mean this, you're supposed to multiply the binomial by trinomial. So we know that, guys. We'll multiply trinomial. What is that we've given? We're given to multiply a plus 1 over p into p squared minus 1 plus 1 over p squared. All right, supposed to simplify this. All right, are we together? That what was that question? It was 2 is 2i, right? Okay, we're under this is 2. We are dealing with what? With I, 2i, like this. All right, we should simplify. You distribute, you multiply that, then right will be what? P multiplied by p squared will be p raised to the power of 3. All right, then you multiply that, p multiplied by 1 over p multiplied by 1 over p squared. You'll get that to be equals to, will be, okay, so do not start, come to the second one. Oh, all right, you come to this one again, p multiplied by minus 1, p multiplied by minus 1 will be minus p. All right, then you come to that one, p will be plus p multiplied by 1 over p. This will be p over p squared. Come to this one, 1 over p multiplied by p squared. This will be plus, all right, p squared over p. Are you still with me? Are you still with me there? Do you see what is going on? Right, then you multiply this with the minus 1, then that will be what? Plus, will be negative. Remember, there is negative 1, be minus 1 over p. Remember, when you multiply by 1, it will be still that. You come again, you multiply by that, will be plus 1 over p raised to the power of 3. Remember, they will multiply to 1 over p multiplied by 1 over p squared. 1 multiplied by 1. I said you multiply the top with the top, will have 1. Multiply the bottom with the bottom, will be p raised to the power of 3. Are you still with me there? All right. So we're simplifying, guys. You have p3 minus p. All right. The laws of exponents. What will be these guys here? Check. We have p. Remember, here it's the same as 1. There you apply the laws of the exponents. This one will cancel. Remember, you have 1, we have 2. This will take 1 here. We left with this will be plus the 1. Remember, this is the same as, guys, this one, this thing, you can picture it, it's the same as p over p multiplied by p. Are you with me? Then this one will cancel with the other one, we'll be left with 1 over p. So all right, that is it. There we left with 1 over p. Are we good? Then we have again plus p squared, right, minus divided by p. This is the same as what? Picture that we have p squared, right, over p. P squared is the same as p multiplied by p, then we divide by p. 1 of that will cancel, we'll be left with what? With p. All right, so that is p here minus that 1 over p, then plus 1 over p raised to the power of 3. All right, this is what we have. Instead, we group what is the same there. Check, this is the same. You add what is the same, but now you minus that. Those will be cancelled. As you can see, this and this will be cancelled, and again minus p and plus p. You see, these are the same, will cancel like that. We'll be left with plus 1 over p raised to the power of 3, like you will be left with that. All right, so this is it, that it is, guys. This will end here. Here will give us this. So we have what is, oh guys, this will end up here, right? That is how you simplify that. Then number 2, we've given p plus 1 over p squared. All right, we should evaluate this. And then what is that? It's I like this. All right, can I grab this at the bottom? All right, we're still together, right, isn't it, guys? So let's simplify this now. All right, p plus 1 over p is the same as this is the same as, guys, this is the same as two brackets like this, 1 over p into p plus 1 over p, like this. That is how, if you picture it like this, multiply there will be p squared, multiply there will be p multiplied by that will be plus p over p, right? You come, you multiply here will be plus p over p, you come, you multiply those, this and that will be plus again 1 over p multiplied by 1 over p. All right, this will be what, be p squared. This will be what, p squared, isn't it? So this is what we have. Then this will be p squared, p and p will cancel, left it 1, p and p will cancel, will be plus 1, left it 1 over p squared. So this, guys, is the same as what, p squared plus 2 plus 1 over p squared. If you like, you can write this, you can write this like this, like that, if you want. All right, so this is that is our answer there. We find this now. All right, you are done with that. Okay, now, guys, how cool is this? You come to b now. B says if we are given this p plus 1 over p is equal to 5, evaluate, find out the value of this. What will be the value of that if we're given, guys, if we're given that p plus 1 over p is equals to 5. Now I says find p squared plus 1 over p squared. All right, let us do it here on the bottom. I want you to check, to notice something. There's something that you're supposed to notice. All right, if you have given this, or you remember, you ask yourself, how did it came about that you find p squared, but you were given this. So you write that you want to reach here, isn't it, guys? That is the aim. You come, you write they were given p plus 1 over p is equals to 5. You square, remember, check, there's a square there. You square both sides. What you do on the left hand side, the rule of maths, you do it also on the right hand side like this. Then what will be this, guys? I think this we've already simplified, right? This is a binomial. Here, where we've simplified it here, guys, this is the same, it's the one and the same thing as you can see here on our previous line, and we found that to be equals to what? To be equals to this. So as you can see, that will be simply equals to p squared plus 1 over p squared plus 2. Then 5 raised to the power of 2 is 25, isn't it? All right, we have this 25. Then the aim is to find these, guys, to evaluate what is this. All right, we have it here, but we want its value, so you can take this to the other side. You'll have p squared plus 1 over p squared will be equals to 25 minus 2. Then this p squared plus 1 over p squared is equals to what? To 23. So that it is, this is equal to 23. As you can check, as you can see, this is equals to what? 23. All right, so what do we have again? We've given this, we have this now again. given I like that, p squared plus 1 over p cubed, or not squared, cubed, guys. We're supposed to evaluate to find the value of p cubed. Remember, to find the value of p cubed now, whereby we're given this, we're given that. All right, we'll see. Check now. We're supposed to evaluate this, whereby we're still given that, we're still under the same question, right? We're still given that p plus 1 over p is equals to 5. We're still here. We have to evaluate this, right, to find the value of that. So you see, there's what? There's cubed. There's cubed. You check how come did they got those cubed. But anyway, guys, nevertheless, these guys with these we have this, by the way, from our previous check, guys, from our previous question, the first question there, you remember, we have multiplied. Oh, let's check the first one. You see, you remember the first one, we got this from the first one. We got this from here, you remember. All right, remember this guy is the same as what? This guy is the same as p from the first one. Remember, 1 over p squared minus 1 plus 1 over p squared. We did it from the first. When we're starting with, we started here, remember, do not forget, we ended here. So you see, those are it's the one and the same thing. So that means this is like this. This is what we have, guys, here. So so be careful here, guys. You see, we have this p plus 1, also have p plus 1, that is simply what's 5. Now be careful again. We can write this p plus 1 over p, and then remember we have this. I want you to write this as p squared plus 1 over p squared minus 1. Why? Is because already on the top we said the value of this is equals to what? 23. So as you can check, we still have this. Only this part must be equals to 23. This part is equals to what? To 5. So you'll simply have 5, right? Cool. This is what? It's 23. We did this on our previously question. We found this to be what? We get this p squared plus 1 over p squared to be 23. Then this is simply what? It's our 23. But we have this minus 1 here. You say minus 1. You have your minus 1 like this. Then this is 5. Then this will be 22. Then you multiply 5 by 22 will simply give us 110. So this is what it is, guys. All right, hopefully you have understood this, guys, and thank you for watching. Guys. All the best. And then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Feel free to comment, and then feel free to share this to your fellow classmates. All the best.